The Express Scripts Canada NIHP provider and client website is a convenient and secure way for clients to submit claims for reimbursement and access claims information quickly and efficiently. In this tutorial video, we will demonstrate how to log into your NIHP web account on the Express Scripts Canada NIHP provider and client website and submit claims for processing. First, select the language in which you would like to view the Express Scripts Canada NIHP provider and client website. Select English or French. For the purpose of this tutorial video, let's select English. If you don't already have an account, please watch the tutorial video NIHP website for clients. To access this video, click the Client button. This will take you to the Client Benefits page. Click the YouTube icon, Features for Clients, to learn how to create an account. Let's begin by logging in. Click the Login button located on the top right-hand side of your screen. You will be required to enter your username and password. Once entered, click Login. Before you can access your profile from the login page, you will be required to review the privacy notice that appears on the page by either clicking Accept or Decline. If you accept, you will be taken to your NIHP web account. If you decline, you will not be able to access your profile and submit claims online. Instead, you will be redirected to the login page. Once you pass the privacy notice, you will be redirected to a web page where you are required to undergo multi-factor authentication. You will receive an email to the email address registered to your NIHP web account. Within the email, there will be a 6-digit one-time passcode that you are required to enter in the displayed screen. Enter the 6-digit one-time passcode in the Enter One-Time Passcode field and click Submit. Once the system authenticates your passcode, you will be redirected to your NIHP web account. Please note that if you enter the wrong passcode, an invalid passcode, please try again message will appear on the screen. Once you are logged in, you will see your My Profile page. Here, your first name, last name, and identification number will be pre-populated. If you need to update your profile information, please watch the tutorial video, My Profile Overview, Provider and Client, to learn more. Let's review a few important key items before demonstrating how to submit a claim through your NIHP web account. Requests for claim reimbursement must be submitted within 1 year of the date of service. Medical transportation benefit claims are not processed by Express Scripts Canada and should be submitted directly to the NIHP program. Now, we will demonstrate how you can submit a claim for client reimbursement through your NIHP web account. To submit a claim, click the Submit Claims button located in the left-hand menu bar. This will take you to the Submit Claims page. Once on the Submit Claims page, select the benefit type you are submitting your claim for. You have the option of choosing dental, pharmacy, medical supplies and equipment, vision care, and mental health counseling. For the purpose of the tutorial video, let's select dental. Once on the Submit Claims page, your client ID, date of birth, first and last name will be pre-populated. As well, please read the text at the top of the page, which indicates that if you are submitting a claim for a child, within the attached documents, you must include the child's first and last name, client identification number, and date of birth. Following that, you must indicate who the claim is being paid to and include their first and last name and address information. If you are submitting a claim for an infant under the age of 24 months, but is not yet registered in addition to the above, you must also attach a document with the parent or guardian's first and last name, client ID, and date of birth. Payment to someone other than the client, such as an organization, community, or parent of a child under the age of 16, can only be made by check. The Pay To field will be pre-populated with the word Myself in the drop-down menu. The other available option in the drop-down is Others. If you select Myself, your address is automatically pre-populated with the information contained in your My Profile section. If your address is incorrect or blank, navigate back to your My Profile and update it. If you select Others, please enter the first and last name, address, city, province and/or territory, and postal code of the person who is receiving payment for your claim. Please note that all fields marked with a red asterisk are mandatory and must be completed in order to submit for the claim. Next, enter the amount claimed in the claim information and attach all supporting documents. You can simply drag and drop your files to the Drag and Drop Your Files Here section, or click the Upload button. As a reminder, before uploading a document, please ensure it is saved and closed on your computer. This will ensure that no information is lost. Even though the claim submission process is the same across all benefits, let's review the different supporting documents that are required for the different benefit types. When submitting a dental claim, you must attach the following supporting documents: a copy of receipts as proof of payment. Receipts must list your full name, date of service, the provider or office name, description of services, and proof of total amount paid. A dental claim form from your dental provider, and if you have other health coverage, such as provincial or private insurance, please submit the detailed statement or explanation of benefits form from all other health plans or programs. Please note that credit card or debit receipts, statements, or cash register receipts are not accepted. When submitting a pharmacy claim, you must attach the following supporting documents: the official prescription receipt. This must include your first and last name, drug identification or DIN number, drug name, quantity, prescription or RX number, date of service, prescriber number, prescriber information, and cost. Please do not attach the label from the bottle or the outside of the bag that contained your prescription to your claim because it does not include the correct information. And if you have other coverage, please provide the explanation of benefits or detailed statement from the other plans. When submitting a medical supplies and equipment claim, you must attach the following supporting documents: a copy of your prescription written by an approved NIHP prescriber or recommender for the benefit, the receipt, any additional medical documentation listed on the MS&E guide and benefit lists, and if you have other coverage, please provide the explanation of benefits or detailed statement from the other plans. When submitting a vision care claim, you must attach the following supporting documents: a copy of receipts as proof of payment. The receipts must list your full name, date of service, provider or office name, description of services, and proof of total amount paid. Exceptional coverage of eye exams and eyewear may require additional supporting documentation. Please refer to the Guide to Vision Care Benefits. A copy of your prescription for all requests for corrective eyewear. This is used to calculate the strength of your lenses, which determines your coverage amount. And if you have other health coverage, please submit the detailed statement or explanation of benefits form from all other health plans or programs. When submitting a mental health counseling claim, you must attach the following supporting documents: a copy of receipts as proof of payment. The receipts must list your full name, date of service, provider or office name, type of counseling services, such as individual or group, number of hours, and proof of total amount paid. To confirm the service is eligible for reimbursement, please refer to the Guide to Mental Health Counseling Benefits. And if you have other health coverage, please submit the detailed statement or explanation of benefits form from all other health plans or programs. Next, read the authorization and check the box that provides authorization to release any records that are relevant to the processing and payment. If you do not complete this step, you will not be able to submit your claim, as this field is mandatory. To correct any errors you might have made while entering the claim information, simply click the Clear button. Once you have entered the claim information, click on the Submit button to submit your claim. A warning message will appear asking you if you have attached all the required documents. Click No if you wish to go back and add new documents, or click Yes to continue. Please note that you are required to attach at least one document to proceed. If you do not, another warning message will appear. Once you click Yes and your claim is submitted, a green banner at the top of your browser will appear confirming that your claim was successfully registered. You can also find your claim reference number in the Claim Information section. It is important to keep the claim reference number for future reference. If you need to add a new claim, simply click the Add Claim button and repeat the steps. All questions regarding your claim submission can be directed to the NIHB call center at Express Scripts Canada at 1-888-441-4777. If you would like to contact Express Scripts Canada, you can find the fax number or mailing address by clicking the Contact Us button in the top menu bar and scrolling down to the Express Scripts Canada NIHB contact information. If you have finished submitting your claim, simply log out. Now, we will demonstrate how you can submit a manual claim for client reimbursement. All applicable claim forms for manual claim submission can be found on the Client Reimbursement page. To get to the Client Reimbursement page, please go to the home page of the Express Scripts Canada NIHB provider and client website. Click the Client button on the top menu bar. Next, click the NIHB Client Reimbursement button. Select the NIHB Client Reimbursement form. Once the form is completed, please submit it by fax or mail to Express Scripts Canada for review and processing. Please note that if you are 16 years or older, you are required to sign the form. If you are below the age of 16, a parent or guardian must sign the form on your behalf. If you are helping a client aged 16 years or older, the client must sign the form. Forms that are not signed cannot be processed and will be returned to you for missing information. You can find the fax number or mailing address by clicking the Contact Us button in the top menu bar and scrolling down to the Express Scripts Canada NIHB contact information. The NIHB call center at Express Scripts Canada is available to help. Should you encounter any difficulties when attempting to submit a claim through your NIHB web account, or if you have any questions about the Express Scripts Canada NIHB provider and client website, please contact the NIHB call center at Express Scripts Canada at 1-888-441-4777. The contact details for the NIHB call center at Express Scripts Canada is found on our website. Simply navigate to the Quick Links section at the bottom of the web page and select Contact Us. We hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.